Hi, this is Nishant Padhiyar, and I don't look like a jug of beer. This is what I actually look like, and what I have with me today is the beautiful My Audio MA3 loudspeaker. Now, of course, as you can see, it's like a piece of art which can be hung on a wall. It is a lifestyle speaker, but for a lifestyle speaker, it does sound pretty nice. It actually has a pair of 2-inch mid-range drivers, a 6.5-inch woofer, so you can really feel the bass. It's not just an excuse for bass. In terms of connectivity, well, it's not all that well featured because all you get is Bluetooth via your smartphone. There is no Wi-Fi, there is no AirPlay, and sadly there is no app as well via which you could probably control tone controls like bass, treble, mid-range, so on. So what you're stuck with is the sound from the factory. But fortunately, the sound from the factory and in this box is not so bad at all. So you can actually have a wall that sounds great now. Well, in terms of the prints, you have either the beer mug staring at you all day long and tempting you for your punch out time, or you can customize it with people you love, your dogs, whoever you want. You can also choose from 650 designs on their website. And this one is the MA3. This one will retail for about 1,06,000 in the Indian market, whereas the MA5, the slightly larger brother of this, would be about 1,30,000. Now, in terms of the weight, it's not so heavy, so I think any Indian wall would be able to take its weight. You can hang it wherever you want. You can leave it just by your bedside if you like. And it can be controlled via this neat credit card size remote control. Again, I'm not a big fan, but it gets the job done. For more information on this product, you can log on to aestheticsound.in. They're actually the distributors for this product in India. And for all your daily dose of gadgets and news, you can log on to stuff.tv/in, or follow us on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook, whatever you prefer. Thanks for watching.